Our sole motive in reaching the decision to build the atomic complex is to enable Ghana to take advantage of the decisive methods of research and development which mark our modern world. It is essential to do this if we are to impart to our development that acceleration which is required to break even with more advanced economies. We have therefore been compelled to enter the field of atomic energy because this already promises to yield the greatest economic source of power since the beginning of man. With these words, the first president of Ghana, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, laid the foundation stone for the atomic complex, setting the pace for Ghana's leap into the nuclear and atomic energy development. In 1961, the Ghana government decided to undertake the Ghana Nuclear Reactor Project. This was intended to introduce nuclear science and technology into the country and to exploit the peaceful applications of nuclear energy to foster national development. The vision for that project, among other things, was to serve as a focal point for scientists and research workers from the various institutes of the then Ghana Academy of Sciences, from the universities and the government laboratories all over the country. The Ghana Atomic Energy Commission was founded in 1963 by an Act of Parliament as the sole agency in Ghana responsible for all matters relating to peaceful uses of atomic energy.
Far back in 1958, there were uses of radioisotopes at the Department of Physics at the University of Ghana. So when the committee was established in 1963, the idea is to expand the activities of the nuclear industry, including electricity generation.
The vision of the Ghana Atomic Energy Commission is to become the leading organization contributing to sustainable national prosperity through the effective utilization of nuclear, biotechnology, and other related technologies.
The dream and vision of our first president, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, was to use nuclear power plants to generate electricity for Ghana's socio-economic development and industrialization. Now we have mapped out the process to do that. So I wish that this dream come to pass.
Our mission is to develop and promote the use of nuclear, bio, and other related technologies for socio-economic development through research, training, and commercialization. We are mandated to advise the government on policy related to peaceful applications of these technologies. The Commission makes proposals to the government for legislation in the field of nuclear radiation and radioactive waste management. It promotes the commercialization of research and development results through its institutes. The Commission also supervises and carries out all requirements designed to secure the safety and health of radiation workers and the environment. Moreover, it oversees and facilitates the development of human resources in the fields of nuclear science and technology, and to promote the training of scientific, technical, and non-scientific personnel of the Commission. The Ghana Atomic Energy Commission maintains relations with the International Atomic Energy Agency and other similar international and national organizations on matters of research and development of nuclear energy and nuclear technology.
We are to do R&A, research and development in nuclear field. We are also to collaborate with the universities to do research in the nuclear area and also human resource development. You have to make some effort to develop human capacity in the nuclear field. And we are also to collaborate with the international community, such as the International Atomic Energy Agency, to be able to tap some knowledge outside to develop our nuclear field.
The role of the Ghana Atomic Energy Commission has been misconstrued by the public in the sense that many people think of the bomb once they hear the name of the commission. Contrary to that belief, the Atomic Energy Commission has been critically involved in several sectors of Ghana's national development, chief among which are healthcare delivery, agriculture, in industry, in mining, and in security.
The scientific and technical functions of the Ghana Atomic Energy Commission are performed by 4 research institutes and the Graduate School of Nuclear and Allied Sciences. The institutes are the National Nuclear Research Institute, the Radiation Protection Institute, the Biotechnology and Nuclear Agriculture Research Institute, and the Radiological and Medical Sciences Research Institute. The National Nuclear Research Institute was established in 1963 to promote and strengthen nuclear science and technology research, training, and development for the socio-economic development of Ghana. It currently comprises the Centers for Engineering Sciences, Nuclear Chemistry and Environmental Research, Nuclear Applications, Accelerator Research, National Data, Nuclear Research, and National Radioactive Waste Management.
Some of our key achievements include non-destructive testing services we provide to major industries and also construction organizations in the country. Notable amongst them are during the construction of the Gui Dam, the non-destructive testing services unit of the institute provided the NDT services for the construction of the Gui Dam. We also provided support for the West African Gas Pipe Limited during the construction of these pipelines. We are still involved in services to other industries or construction activities going on currently in the country. We also in collaboration with the Water Resources Commission, are undergoing program of action where we are mapping out all the groundwater resources in the country, including isotope techniques, in collaboration with the Water Research Institute or the CSIR. This is being done in order to quantify water resources available in the country in support of potable water supply for the communities in the country.
The Radiation Protection Institute was established in 1993 as the national competent authority for authorization and inspection of practices using radiation sources and radioactive materials in Ghana. It is to provide an effective national regulatory framework for the protection of people, property, and the environment, and the safety and security of radioactive materials and nuclear installations.
The other field of work that we very important is the management of all radioactive sources in the country. The mining companies, the oil companies, and some industries do import sources, gauges, to do their work. And when these sources are no more in use, we call them disused, we have to go and pick them, and come and store them here at our facility here, so that these sources will not be thrown anywhere for people to pick it, either to injure themselves or use it for malicious acts. So that's one of our major functions, that we protect the people and then the environment from radiation.
The Biotechnology and Nuclear Agriculture Research Institute was established in 2000 as one of the research, development and technology transfer institutes of the Ghana Atomic Energy Commission. The institute carries out research and development activities on safe applications of biotechnology and nuclear science and transfer these technologies to end users in order to enhance agricultural productivity, health delivery, and industrialization.
We continue to exploit the technique to actually develop protocols for crops unknown in the country. Currently, we are also engaged in using the technique to control a lot of our food crops that are threatened by genetic erosion in the country. For example, most of the yam varieties that we have are no more being planted, and some are getting extinct. So we are doing what we call in vitro conservation to store these varieties in the laboratory, so that when there's a need for us to release it to the farmers, then we can do them. This is very important, especially when climate change is a threat to all of us and the environment is becoming drier and drier. If we keep these planting materials on the field for a long time without actually growing them annually, then we'll lose them. Therefore, in vitro conservation is being used to preserve these varieties against both biotic and abiotic stresses.
The Radiological and Medical Sciences Research Institute was established in 2009 as the fourth research and development institute of the Ghana Atomic Energy Commission. It contributes to public health delivery through medical application of nuclear and isotopic techniques and radiation-related devices for the reduction of cancer incidence in Ghana and Africa. It does this through research into radiation medicine, cancer treatment, medical imaging, diagnostic molecular biology, and nutrition for improved healthcare delivery.
Presently, we have 5 centers within the Radiological and Medical Sciences Research Institute. These are the Medical Radiation Physics Center, the Nutrition Research Center, the Applied Radiation Biology Center, the Radiopharmacy and Nuclear Medicine Center, and the Clinical and Cellular Research Center. And they are all using one form of nuclear techniques or the other, all geared towards improving healthcare delivery in Ghana. They also undertake research to ensure that the procedures, whether it's radiotherapy, nuclear medicine, or diagnostic, are being done correctly to ensure that patients will not suffer any adverse effect by the procedures they undertake. That is, they conduct research to ensure that any inadequacies or improper practices are eliminated so that patient protection and safety is ensured.
The Graduate School of Nuclear and Allied Sciences was jointly established by the Ghana Atomic Energy Commission and the University of Ghana, with support from the International Atomic Energy Agency. This was in response to the increasing threat of nuclear knowledge loss in Ghana and Africa. The school therefore trains scientists for the preservation, maintenance, and enhancement of nuclear knowledge in Ghana and Africa through the provision of high-quality teaching, research, entrepreneurship training, service and development of postgraduate programs in nuclear sciences and technology.
We established the Graduate School of Nuclear Allied Sciences that train our scientists here in nuclear field, so that we get the number of scientists that we need to build up. And it's not only in Ghana, but we also train a lot of